Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back Rimsha decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. Today I am showing some beautiful, amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Every cake design is viral right now. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you like these designs, then please like it. And don't forget to press the bell and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. Tell me in the comment box which design you like most favorite. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys to like, to share, to watching my cake designs. I hope this video is very something and creative for you. Beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of, then please visit my channel and tell me in comment box for more videos. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas specific design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. Comment your favorite cake designs. If you like any designs and if you're new to my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me in the comment box which design you like most favorite. Save this video for next event. These designs special for your events. You can use each design perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. I hope you like these designs. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.